Recently, a new poll showed that 1/3, roughly 30% of Republicans, are refusing to get the COVID-19 vaccine. And although 52% of Republicans have reported that they have had at least one dose of the COVID vaccine, 30% of them are saying, I'm not going to get it ever. At the same time, we are seeing vaccination rates in certain redder areas of the country, not only limited to redder areas, but primarily in red areas of the country, Texas, Alabama, Missouri, things like that, we're seeing a resurgence of COVID. Additionally, we also have new COVID variants out there. The Delta variant is now out there wreaking havoc on the globe. So what's happening, at least here in the United States, is that these selfish Republicans, selfish Trump supporters, are refusing to get the vaccine and therefore prolonging the pandemic here in the United States. The people who raised the biggest stink about the so-called oppression they suffered because we didn't want to wear a mask. We're not going to wear your muzzle, they told us. I can't breathe with your little face mask on. We want this to be over. Open up everything. We want to shop. We want to go get ice cream. We want to go fly. Yeah. Guess what? Y'all are the reason that we can't really do all that safely yet. It's because of you. It's because of you. Because of your selfishness. Your selfishness helped this pandemic ravage the country last year, and your selfishness is prolonging it right now. That's it. That's what these reports mean. And again, we are seeing spikes in the redder areas of the United States here. And guess what? In areas where you have higher vaccination rates, we're seeing infection rates drop. Gee, I wonder why that's so hard to figure out why that's happening. Folks, this isn't rocket science, okay? This isn't brain surgery. We understand what's happening. If you can, get yourself vaccinated. If you actually have objections to this, some people do have certain health issues that are preventing them from being able to get vaccinated. Sure, I have no problem with that. But if you're out there openly consuming misinformation from Facebook about the safety or efficacy of these vaccines, then you're an idiot and you're selfish and you're the problem. No, the vaccines are not turning people magnetic, as that wacko up in Ohio tried to claim a couple weeks ago. If you have concerns, and I always say this, and I mean it, if you have concerns about the safety or efficacy of the virus, talk to your doctor. Your doctor. You know, the person you've been going to for years, the person you trust with your health, with your life. Talk to them. Get their opinion. Get a second opinion. Get a third opinion. Don't listen to wackos on the news. Don't listen to YouTube personalities. Don't listen to idiotic Facebook memes posted by somebody who thinks that their essential oils are going to cure cancer. Talk to somebody that went to medical school and has been practicing medicine for decades, okay? But stop spreading the misinformation. And for the love of God, stop being so selfish so we can get through this pandemic before more variants emerge that render the rest of our vaccines totally useless and we go back to square one.